Hey Smittans, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. So Pahela Baishakh, which is the first day of the Bengali calendar, is just around the corner and I know so many of you are celebrating. So I said, why not create a very elegant look for you guys? So here it is. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get started. I usually do my eyebrows first, but today I'm in a mood to do my face. So let's get done with a clean, fresh base and then we'll move on to the eyes. And to prime my face, I'm using the Professional from Benefit Cosmetics. And as you can see, it has that peach undertone, so it'll help to kind of neutralize all the dark patches and spots on my face as well. And as the name suggests, it'll help to cover up all those pores and give you that smooth surface before you apply the foundation. And for foundation, I'm going to be using the Fit Me by Maybelline in Dewy Plus Smooth. I'm in the shade 220. The Dewy Plus Smooth is perfect for people with dry skin like myself. If you have oily skin, they also have a version of this, the Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless. So make sure you choose the right one depending on your skin type. I'm trying quite a few new products today and I'm really excited to try the O2O cushion correctors. I'm using the number 4 for contouring, so I'm going to be using this to cream contour around my face. Just like you have cushion foundations, this is a cushion corrector. So it comes with a sponge top which makes it very easy to apply. The only thing I observed with this is it dries very quickly. So you probably want to work in sections. So I'm going to work in the hollows of my cheekbones first, blend it out, and then I will work the other sections one at a time. And as a concealer and to highlight, I'm going to be using the shade 2 and I'm going to again work in sections because it dries up quickly, but the coverage is excellent and these are very inexpensive products. I have the links to their products in the description box below. To set this concealer, I'm going to be using the Airspun Translucent Loose Powder. You can use any loose or translucent powder to set your concealer. I'm going to bake it, so I'm going to let the powder sit there till I finish up my eye makeup and then I'll dust off the powder, excess powder, as well as any fallouts that I might have. Now for my brows, I'm going to be using the Benefit pencil in the shade 6 because I have really thick dark eyebrows. I need this shade. This is the darkest shade that they have. If you have lighter brows, you can go for a lighter color. And this is very easy to use and it's very quick. That's why you see me use this so often in my videos these days. The eyeshadow palette that I'll be using today is the Deck of Scarlet Destination Desert palette. First, I'm taking Sahara. This is a beautiful muted gold shade. It has a little bit of shimmer to it. I'm going to be applying this throughout my lid using a flat shader brush. I'm only going to be using 2 eyeshadows for this look. So the second eyeshadow is going to be Nocturnal with a blending brush. First, I'm going to use this in the outer corner to deepen the outer corner. And then I'll take the same shade with a definer brush and I'm going to use it in my lower lash line. In my waterline, I'm going to be using a black eye pencil. If you are a long-time subscriber, you already know which eye pencil this is. If you know, comment below and let me know. And for eyeliner, I'm going to be using the O2O liquid liner in black. This is a waterproof liner and it will not budge from its place. I love the packaging as well as the liner itself. It's so thin and you get really good control, especially if you want really thin lines. Again, a very inexpensive product. All the links are in the description box below. One thing that defines a Bengali is their beautiful features, especially eyes. So I always feel like because they have beautiful eyes, they go really big on the kajal and the kohl liners. So I'm going to be using some black eyeshadow in my lower lash line as well to thicken it up. It's time to dust out all the excess powder, and I'm going to be using the residue of the powder on my face to set my face. I'm not taking anything extra because I don't want my face to look very dry. So whatever is on my face is what I'm going to use. And then I'm curling my lashes and applying a coat of mascara. The one that I'm using is from Au Natural. And for lashes, I'm using Daisy from Bayfolin. These are my current favorites. There's something about the way they wing out. I feel like every time I use them, my eyes look longer and bigger. I don't know if it's just me or if you guys have observed the same. Comment below and let me know. To add some warmth, I'm going to be using a bronzer. This is Hoola from Benefit. For blush, I'm going to be using Sigma Pink from Sigma. This is extremely pigmented, so all you need is very little. And to highlight, I'm actually using a blush. This is Gold Rush from Benefit. It has a golden undertone, and just think of it as using a blush that looks like a highlighter, so you can use it as a highlighter. It has that very mellow glow. It's not very blinding, and I just love this as a highlighter more than a blush. So and for that perfect red lip, to go with the beautiful roses in my hair and that beautiful red border in my sari, I'm going to be using Missy and Fierce from Wet n Wild. And definitely setting everything with a setting spray so my makeup doesn't move. That's the last thing I want to think of on a day when I want to celebrate. I'm using red roses in my hair just to keep up with the theme. You can also use gajra if you like. And I'm going for all gold jewelry just to stay with the whole Bengali aura and theme. And here is the final look. I hope you liked this look. I just wanted to keep it as elegant, traditional, and more than anything as simple as possible, and that's why I used just 2 eyeshadows, so it's wearable and any of you can recreate it with much ease. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like button. It only encourages me to do more and better for you guys because I love you guys so much. You already know that. I've listed all the products in the description box below. Also listed there are links to my social media accounts, so make sure you're following me on Instagram as well as Facebook. I love you guys so much once again, and Happy New Year to everybody celebrating, and I will see you soon with a brand new tutorial. Bye guys.